Hi, this is Melissa with From A to Disney. Today I'm going to show you how to make an embroidery hoop wreath for spring, and it's going to be in the Mickey silhouette. The supplies you'll need are 3 embroidery hoop wreaths, different florals and stems, zip ties, wire cutters, and a hot glue gun. I got all of my supplies at Hobby Lobby for less than $20, so that was great. And when you are picking out your embroidery hoops, make sure that the ears are half the diameter of the face. That way they'll be proportioned right and your Mickey will look perfect. When you're laying out your embroidery hoops, you can use this top screw as your centerpiece and then place both of your ears at 45-degree angles, and then you can mark it off with a pencil. And then use a zip tie to attach it. I actually put my zip tie through this little metal piece. And then take your wire cutters and trim off the excess. So once you have your ears attached, it'll look like this. And then you can kind of place your flowers where you want them. I'm going to have my main flower offset to the side. And then I have a bunch of different flowers. I'm going to kind of go by size, do the large one, and then do small on my way out, and then add some greenery in also. Here's our completed Mickey Mouse embroidery hoop wreath. Hope you enjoyed this project. It's a great activity to do while we're all stuck at home for the next little while. Remember to like this video and share this video on social media, and also subscribe to our channel. We are so close to 100 subscribers, and when we get there, we can give away our mini ears. Stay safe and stay healthy, and remember, whether at home or at the park, make every day a Disney day.